Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more classic car stories from Auto Vibe channel, where we explore timeless machines and their engineering heritage. Today we look at the Chrysler Series 77, a refined American automobile from the late 1920s designed to blend durability, comfort and strong straight-six performance. Built during a period when Chrysler was rapidly building a reputation for advanced engineering, the Series 77 offered buyers a balanced combination of power, reliability and practical luxury. Under the hood, the car featured a robust inline six-cylinder engine known for smooth operation and dependable torque output. This engine was paired with a manual transmission that delivered confident gear changes and solid road control. The engineering focus on high compression efficiency helped improve fuel use while still giving drivers satisfying acceleration for everyday travel. The chassis design used sturdy construction and well-tuned suspension to handle rougher American roads of the era. Semi-elliptic leaf springs and durable shock absorbers contributed to a stable ride, while mechanical brakes on all four wheels provided dependable stopping power for city streets and open highways. Inside, the Chrysler Series 77 emphasized comfort and thoughtful craftsmanship. Broad seating allowed passengers to relax during long journeys, while quality upholstery and trim details reflected the brand's push toward affordable premium style. The dashboard layout was simple and readable, with clear gauges and accessible controls supporting a driver-focused experience. Exterior styling followed classic Chrysler design language of the period, with an upright grille, elegant fenders and a confident stance that suggested motion even at rest. Buyers could choose from multiple body styles including sedans, coupes and touring options, allowing the model to suit families, professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Series 77 also benefited from Chrysler attention to safety-minded engineering of the time. Strong steel components, careful weight distribution and reliable lighting systems helped drivers feel secure on busy roads. Serviceability was another advantage, as accessible mechanical parts made routine maintenance more straightforward for owners and mechanics. Historically, the Chrysler Series 77 represents the company commitment to bringing advanced automotive ideas to a wider American audience. It stood as proof that innovation did not need to sacrifice dependability, and it helped strengthen customer trust in the growing Chrysler brand. For collectors today, the model offers a glimpse into the transition from early rugged motoring to more comfortable, refined daily transportation. Whether you love vintage engineering, historical design or stories of American industry, the Chrysler Series 77 delivers an engaging example of how thoughtful engineering and stylish presentation came together in one memorable vehicle. We hope this overview helps you understand its specs, features and lasting appeal. Please subscribe to the channel, support Auto Vibe channel and keep watching for more classic car content and detailed automotive history videos covering rare models, engineering breakthroughs, restoration tips, market insights and driving impressions from different eras. Our mission is to share clear, engaging information that helps enthusiasts and new viewers appreciate how these machines shaped modern automotive culture. Each video is created with passion, research and respect for automotive heritage, so you can learn something new and enjoy the journey through motoring history with us every week. Your support through subscribing, liking and sharing helps the channel grow and allows us to continue bringing more stories about classic Chrysler innovation, legendary designers and unforgettable vehicles from the golden age of American automobiles. Stay connected for future uploads featuring detailed walkarounds, archival facts, expert insights and inspiration for collectors, restorers and fans everywhere. And remember to subscribe today for more updates from Auto Vibe channel, bringing classic car stories.